Should you buy land or should you buy an apartment in India? In India, this debate can start like a family argument. Your parents will say, Zameen lo, land never loses its value. Builders will say, buy a flat. It's safe, convenient, and comfortable. So, whom should you listen to? But here's the truth, land is not always better. Flat is not always a trap. And most people are buying real estate for emotional reasons and not as a strategic investment. Hi, my name is Kashmira and I'm an architect, and today we are going to weigh the pros and cons of buying land versus buying a flat. In India, owning land feels powerful. There's something deeply satisfying about saying, "Ye meri zameen hai." Land feels permanent, independent, and flexible. You can build what you want, expand later, not share walls, and not depend on housing society. And yes, historically, land appreciates better. But here is something that nobody tells you. Land disputes are common. Loans are harder. Land can just stay stuck for a very long time. And if the infrastructure never comes, you just have to wait. Land is not magic. Land is patience. Now, let's talk about flat or an apartment. In cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Bengaluru, it's practically impossible for a middle class person to buy land. Cities grow vertically. So, an apartment is basically pieces of land stacked on top of each other. When you buy an apartment, you are basically buying a shared piece of land which is stacked on top of each other. And what do apartments give you? Location, security, lift, parking, water supply, and immediate move-in. You pay, you move in, and that's it. No contractor drama, no approval headache. Now, here's the financial reality. Let's remove emotions and talk numbers. Land usually appreciates well in growing areas, does not depreciate. Full design control. Now, let's talk about the cons. For land, there is no rental income until the building is complete. Construction costs are rising every year. Sometimes construction can take up to years. Legal due diligence is necessary. One mistake in the paperwork and it can cost you everything. So, what actually determines value? Location beats property type. A well-situated apartment in a fast-growing area like Pune will outperform a random piece of land located 30 kilometers away from the city. What actually creates value? Infrastructure, connectivity, highways, railways, hospitals, job possibilities, commercial hubs, schools. These are things that really matter when you are buying a land. Infrastructure creates appreciation. Here's the brutal, honest truth. You think long term, you understand legal verifications, you don't want immediate returns, and you want full control over your property. Buy land. If you want an urban lifestyle, you want security and convenience, you don't want construction stress, and you actually want to live there, buy an apartment. But don't buy either just to tell people, I own property. That's ego investing. So, here are my final thoughts. Land builds wealth over a very long period of time. Apartment is for convenience and safety. There is no universal truth or one size fits all in this particular topic. So be strategic and not emotional in making your decisions. If you want more such content about cities, real estate, and how design affects lifestyle, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. My name is Kashmira, I'm an architect, and I'll see you in the next one.